Hello friends, welcome to this course on HyperMesh. In this lecture, we will learn how to translate the nodes. So translate means how can we move the nodes. To understand this option, in your project file, go to the folder of translate and select the translate file. Now inside this file, let's say the elements are not proper here. Let's say I want to move these elements into some leftward. So to move the elements, we can use the translate option. So go to tools and you can see translate. Also for the shortcut key from the keyboard, you can press Shift plus F4. So press Shift plus F4 and you will see the translate option. If I click on this arrow, you can translate nodes, elements, component, line, surface. So you can translate all these bodies. So generally we use this option for translating the nodes. So if I click on this arrow, we can see nodes, faces, free edges, edges. So I select nodes here. So right now I'm selecting the global coordinate system. So this is the coordinate system. Here we need to specify the direction where we want to translate the node. X-axis, Y-axis, along any vector, N1, N2, N3, screen normal and screen parallel. So generally I prefer N1, N2, N3. So with this we can specify any direction to this. And here is the magnitude, the value of the translate. So I click on this reset option and let's say I want to translate these nodes into the left side. So select the nodes one by one. Now specify the direction. So click for the first node. See, this is my first node and this is second node. So this vector from green to blue node will specify the direction vector. Now I click on this translate plus. When I select the translate plus, it will go into this direction. And when I select the translate minus, it will go in the negative direction. So I select translate plus. Now we can see the nodes are moving in this direction. Here we can change the magnitude. So once again I click on reset. So I select all these nodes here. Click on reset here and then specify a vector here from this node to this node. Click on translate plus and then click on return. Now also into this translate, let's say I go to this Shift plus F4, I select these nodes here and then let's say I select the vertical axis, so Z axis, click on translate plus. Okay, then click on, so see plus direction is going downward, so I will select translate minus. So right now we can see these elements are going away from the body, so I click reject. Now there is one more option, click on this node and then select duplicate. So with this duplicate option, it will create a copy of that. When I select translate minus, click on return, here we can see it will create a copy of the nodes. So this option is sometimes very useful. So in this way we can use this translate option.